Welcome to Acuity Training, one of the most experienced SQL training companies in the UK. In this short video, we'll introduce our SQL training courses that we run in London and show you how we'll help you find, clean and analyse your data with confidence, even if you've never written a query before. So why train with us? Our London SQL training is award-winning, small and friendly, with an average class size of just 4 so no one gets left behind. Every course is hands-on, built around practical exercises and real-world examples, is CPD-certified and includes 6 months of post-course support. So, what is SQL? SQL is the standard language used to communicate with databases. It lets you extract, filter and analyse large amounts of data straight from the source, something you simply can't do efficiently in Excel alone. You can use it to take control of your data and query a live database instead of waiting on exports or IT. Let's look at the courses. Our Introduction to SQL course is a one-day course for complete beginners. There are no prerequisites. It leads you through the basics of SQL step by step, covering relational database essentials, select and where statements, and grouping and counting data. Our Advanced SQL course is a 2-day guide to SQL's more advanced functions for users who want to develop their skills further. You'll cover advanced select statements, transactions and rollback, using subqueries and building stored procedures. We also run an Introduction to Microsoft SQL Server Administration course, a 3-day course all about SQL Server. It covers installing and configuring SSMS, database and server security, backing up and restoring data, and automating your day-to-day tasks. Each course comes with 6 months of free post-course support, so you always have help as you put your new skills into practice. We're so confident in our training that we are the only provider with a 100% money-back guarantee. Check out the site for full details. To book your SQL training or to talk through the right course for you, get in touch today.